Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to learn a new sound together. This is a pumpkin. In Malay we say labu. 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 What are the sounds you hear when I say la? La. Yes, we hear la. This is number 5. In Malay we say lima. 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 What are the sounds you hear when I say li? Did you hear e, li? This word is lupa. Lupa. Lupa means forget. What are the sounds you hear when I say lu? You should hear oo, lu. Now let's say the suku kata again. La, li, lu, li, lu, la, lu, la, li. So, what sound are we learning today? That's right. The sound is Put the tip of your tongue behind your front teeth and let the sound come out. Let's write the small letter together. Start at the top. Make a straight line down and stop at the bottom. This is the capital letter. We start at the top, make a straight line down, and go straight to the right at the bottom. Okay, that's all we have for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.